everyone, it's CryptoGemz. Thanks for joining me. Good to see all of you. Thanks for stopping by. If you're new and you like this channel, please go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And Gems boys, yes, my boys out there, I love you guys. Go ahead and smash that like button. You know, I always have to give a special shout out to my boys because 95% of my viewers are guys. But of course, I appreciate the ladies of crypto, my gemettes. So I welcome you. We are here, ladies of crypto, sticking together through this crazy journey as we learn and invest about crypto. All right, guys. Actually, let me get off of this. I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit tonight about War Pigs Investment Group. You guys know I mentioned last weekend or so, maybe it was a couple weekends ago. Yeah, it was a couple weekends ago, or maybe last week. How I wanted to, you know, take my channel and start investing, looking into good, solid programs, you know, good, solid utility token or a token that's on the blockchain with a project behind it, you know, to solve a problem, serves a purpose, that sort of thing. And I also mentioned to you guys that I was working together closely with an investment group. We're a group of YouTubers and just people that invest in crypto. And we're called War Pigs. Yes, that's us, War Pigs. And here, someone in our investment group made me this splash with my Wonder Woman here that I love so much. Got the War Pigs logo. So thank you very much for that. Now, let me just give a shout out to Crypto Country Boy before I get started, because I want to talk to you guys today about the first altcoin that the group has invested. Not the very first one that the group has invested in, but the first altcoin that I'm going to share with you that we have invested in. I have invested in many of the altcoins that the investment group has shared and just shared information about, brought to the table, this and that. But Country Boy right here, let me give him a shout out. You guys go check him out right here, Crypto Country Boy. If you like his channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Really quick, let me just show you guys this video. Block Broker, okay? This was a ICO that I was going to talk about last night, and then I'm not going to play this, that I was going to talk about last night. I'm going to send you over to Crypto Country Boy's YouTube channel because I believe he's still giving away tokens to this ICO. It was an ICO, but they have sold out. And it was where U.S. residents could buy into it at the ICO stage. But go on over, check out Crypto Country Boy. Okay, watch this video from May 13th, where it tells you how he does the Block Broker giveaway. I believe he still has tokens. And let me even show you the Block Broker website really quick so you guys know what it is. Might be something that you want to look out for when it moves to the next stage. It says their Block Broker ICO is complete. It ended a little bit earlier than they anticipated. Okay, but let me tell you really quick what it's about. Let's see if I can get to... Oh no, I hope they didn't take all that down from their website. Let's see. Sorry about this. They had all the information on here, but it looks like I'm not able to scroll down. So I don't know if they kind of updated their website and took down their information. But basically what it was, it's where you would buy their tokens and you would come to their platform and they're already going to screen and vet new ICOs to kind of eliminate some of the scams out there, okay? And they were acting as a brokerage firm, kind of like you use their tokens to buy in the ICO. They held the ICO's tokens for you to make sure that the ICO was complete and did what it said it would do, and then it would release the tokens back to you. And so that's kind of how it worked. But go ahead and check out Crypto Country's channel because I believe he still has some tokens to give away. So watch this video right here, okay? And he's been giving away 500 tokens twice a day. So he usually does a afternoon live stream and then an evening live stream. So check that out. That was something I wanted to share with you, but we weren't expecting that Block Brokers ICO to end as early as it did, and it was a real ICO. It was legitimate. It served a purpose. It showed the team, the faces, the names, and everything. But it looks like they updated their website a little bit to just announce that the ICO is over. Okay, so what I want to talk to you guys about, but be sure to go ahead. Crypto Country Boy, he started the War Pig Investment Group. It's got some YouTubers in there, new YouTubers I haven't met before. It's got some of our subscribers, new people. It's a great group of people that we are sharing information. And these people, these guys and girls who are in it, I mean, their portfolio, their investments are going in the green. So that's really exciting. But one of the coins that we've been talking about, and Crypto Country Boy has a video there from yesterday. I just wasn't able to get one out yesterday, guys. It's on this hydrogen token, okay? It's a little bit complicated if you go through the white paper and you go through the website. I'm going to try and, make it in my simple terms the best I can. I encourage you, if you're looking for a token that's very, very inexpensive, has great potential, okay, and it's behind a good, solid project, I encourage you to go check this out. It is on CoinMarketCap. It's less than a half of a penny, okay, but you can see, I'm not exactly sure when their ICO finished, but it looks like the very beginning of May, okay, I'm guessing. And you can see already it's had some nice increase, okay. It's less than a half a penny right here, but we are seeing that this token, it does go up in the green. Their website is right here. Okay, that's how you can get to the website I just showed you. This down here shows you the markets that it's on. I bought mine off of this America Tax market. It's very simple to use. You just make an account, and then you have to verify your account. So you go check your email and just click it on. Very, very simple to use. For Hydro, you have to use Bitcoin, but I actually had Ether in my MetaMask wallet, so I sold some Ether for Bitcoin, and then I took the Bitcoin to buy the Hydro, okay? You can see right here. Let's see. Oh, sorry. I thought I was logged in. Okay, but trust me when I say it's easy to use. There's a couple exchanges that are complicated. This is very user-friendly. And if you've been on some other exchanges, you'll be able to figure it out without any problem. Okay, but why I liked HydroCoin and why I invested some money in it, I have about 1,000 tokens or so. Well, I feel like it's a good, solid project. It's very technical when you try to go read it. So I'm going to try to, explain it in simpler terms the best I can. But basically what it is, I like their little saying right here, water is life, hydro is financial life. So this, it says right here, isn't it time for public and decentralized blockchain in financial services? Hydro enables private financial systems to seamlessly leverage the public blockchain. Cloud applications throughout the financial services ecosystem can now benefit from the power of smart contracts, creating more secure, transparent, and low-cost financial products globally. Okay, so basically what it's all about, and they have some great videos here. There are a few YouTube channels or YouTube videos out there for you to watch. And they do have a blog, and I found some good information on their blog. There's their development team, okay? I want to show you the blog too, but what it's basically doing is that this is a public blockchain, okay? And what they want to do, and so they say it's an open source blockchain, and what they want to do is they want a partnership with centrally controlled institutions or centrally controlled economy, like let's say a bank, for instance, and not necessarily change the way the bank is doing business or change that centrally controlled institution, but instead they want to partner with them and enhance the system. They don't want to replace it or anything, but they want to enhance it. And what they want to do is they want to provide an extra layer of security to prevent hacking. So like think of Equifax when that got hacked. Uber, I think, recently got hacked. Years ago, I remember, because I would shop there for toys and stuff for my kids, you know, Target was hacked. Remember that? I mean, it's probably a while back now, maybe 6 years ago. That was really big in the news. Someone got into their system and stole everyone's debit cards and stuff like that. Now, during that time frame, I hadn't shopped at Target. And I want to say this was almost during the holidays when this all happened. So, you know, with the Christmas sales, people were shopping and spending money using their debit card. But even my bank, just as a precaution, sent me a new debit card, even though stating this was due to, you know, the hack with Target, blah, 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 even though I hadn't shopped there during that time period. So Hydro can prevent things like that when it partners up with more of a centralized economy instead of a decentralized economy. So I hope that makes sense to you guys. They want to provide security. They want to make things more transparent with these centrally controlled institutions, and make it more secure. I mean, I'm sure credit card companies is another example that this technology would work really well with. That is kind of it in a very simple term. Of course, if you watch, you know, they kind of have it laid out in phases. So if you even watch one of their videos here, hydrogen raindrop, it's very technical, but it's a great interview with several of the team members, and kind of each person kind of explains it a little bit differently or explains their role. Sorry, just listen to it for a second here.
Of a second digital revolution. So you have the financial services ecosystem and the hydro ecosystem. And the value comes from the interaction and the interplay between the two. The hydrogen.
So they want to merge their hydro ecosystem with that more centralized financial institution and merge them together where the two ecosystems are supporting each other. And of course, their job would be to help with the security, lessen the hacking opportunities, bring more transparency, okay, to transactions in the central economical institutions.
Platform is architected to be modular and extendable. The Hydro module that connects to the public blockchain sits on top of the hydrogen platform as any other third-party application.
The public ledger for the new global economy. This is Project Hydro. Welcome to new financial life.
Okay. I'm not going to play that all for you, but they have a couple great videos, okay? They do have a blog. Let's see if I can find that blog. Hold on, guys. Here we go. And I was reading a couple articles. And, you know, I got the gist of it, of course, what they're trying to do and everything. But sometimes you just got to let some of that technical information digest in you. But a lot of good articles out here on Hydro, on their business, on their technology. I'm trying to find the article, if I can remember. I think it was this one that I read, A Tale of Two Raindrops. So they kind of, it sounded like Hydro, either they're releasing this project in different phases, and one of the phases is a raindrop, and that's what part of their technology is called, okay? So it says it's the first phase of the Hydro ecosystem, and it exists to enhance private systems with a blockchain-based authentication layer. Within Raindrop, we have created two separate I can't say that, sorry guys, services, one for the client side and one for the system side. So like you as a client could even say, hey, you know, I want something that's going to protect my transactions and, you know, have that transparency and that security. But there it is. So there's just some different articles. So I encourage you guys to go in, find these kind of solid projects that are out there in crypto. There's many, many great projects out there. You know, some are, you know, maybe the cost is already $3, $4, or $5 or whatever, a token. Then there's these little gems in there that are half a penny. I can't make any price prediction at all. But I mean, even if you got it at half a penny and it goes to 10 cents or, you know, even 8 cents, you know, this is something maybe, you know, in 3 months or so, it's at 8 cents and you're like, okay, you know, I bought, you know, a couple thousand of them, and now I'm going to sell them. Or maybe it's doing well and you like this platform or this project. I think project is a better word for it. And you want to hold. Okay, so just bringing you guys some different, you know, different things out there in crypto. There's so many great projects where they're trying to provide a service, solve a problem, you know, bring the blockchain more into our everyday life. And even the hydrogen team, they use this phrase, you know, second digital revolution. And they refer to the first digital revolution from 20 years ago. And if you think about that, that's about the time people were getting home computers, home PCs. I think I was probably about 22 years ago when I got mine. So about, you know, definitely 20 years ago, more and more people had a home computer. And that was more, you know, and it was usually their first one. So now they're kind of referring to this time that we're in as the second digital revolution, and that is the blockchain, and that is projects like this coming to the blockchain to make things, you know, transactions, just financial things safer, more transparent, the layer of security there to prevent hacking and that sort of thing. So that is my little simplified version of the Hydro coin. I almost need, you know, those books, those black and white books, you know, we need one, crypto for dummies, you know, those dummy books, you know, if you want to go learn, you know, trading on the stock market for dummies. Sure would be nice to have one of those. I wonder if the bookstore has that. And it would list all these projects that are really good in there in simple terms without all the technical jargon that we have to try and digest. But go ahead, I invite you guys to check it out. And if you like it, this is where you can buy it. Like I said, America was easy to use. I had tried to get on Fork Delta, and I cannot figure out how to get my money into Fork Delta. And someone just advised me, don't even use that. So that's that. That's my little, you know, my little solid little token coin that I wanted to share with you guys. Leave some comments in the video. Let me know what you guys think. I'll be bringing more of these to you guys. Like I said, I wanted to reach out and do some different things in crypto. So this is my first thing that is different from, you know, what I've done in the past. These different than the smart contract games. But this is definitely a really cool project. It's already obviously gone through its ICO stage. It's on the exchange. It's on CoinMarketCap. You know, there's other YouTube videos out there about it. I'm sure, you know, you can Google it and look for articles about it. They got some good videos too. They even have a YouTube channel. So go ahead and check them out. Don't forget to go ahead and check out Crypto Country Boy. I always like to give a shout out to other YouTubers because, you know, they can be talking about the exact same thing that I'm talking about, but you might like the way they come across. You may understand their language better, their style. We're all different. The way we learn, you know, there's different learning styles, different teaching styles out there. Sometimes it's good to hear information twice. Definitely check him out, though, for this block broker giveaway, okay, because I believe he still has some tokens out there if you're interested in getting some free tokens. and he would just send them to one of your Ether wallet addresses. Okay, so and then that could, and be on the lookout for block broker when it hits an exchange. That might be something for those of you that want to get into ICOs at a very good price. Another thing block broker was going to be doing on their platform, not only was it going to have ICOs that they already vetted with a team and that their company, you know, checked out, make sure everything was legitimate, but they were also going to be offering like bonuses and kind of cut better deals for people that use the block broker platform. So for example, if let's say, you know, Gemz ICO was having the token price at, you know, 10 cents with a 30% bonus, they would try to negotiate and say, okay, the token is 8 cents and you get a 40% bonus. So they were going to be offering that for those people that use their token. All right, so guys, I'm signing off. It's good to see everyone. Let me know what you think of the hydrogen token out there, and be on the lookout for all these little great projects out there on the blockchain, making, you know, coming up with the second digital revolution. All right, talk to you later, Scott. Talk to you later, guys.